to make your own unique earrings with shrink plastic. Hi everyone, it's Yushin. Here is the list of the materials that we will be needing. We are going to start by drawing out the earring. I am using acrylic marker for this one. Acrylic color has a opaque look to it. And for this one, I am using regular marker. Regular markers have a transparent look to it. Make sure to draw out your earrings in a fairly big size because the size of your shrink paper will significantly decrease after you heat shrink it. If you are wanting to draw more details on top of the color, make sure you wait for the first layer to dry. After the first colored layer dries, you can add details with another color on top. When you want to draw details, like for this bow, make sure you're using a really thin marker. You can make these earrings your own unique pair by drawing out your own unique pattern. After you're finished with your drawing, you can then cut out the shapes. When you are cutting out these shapes with your scissors, it is really important not to twist your shrink paper. When it comes to spot like this, use a knife to cut it instead of using your scissors, because if you twist your shrink paper while cutting, your shrink paper could crack. The next thing is just to use a hole puncher to punch holes. After punching the holes, you're going to shrink it either with an oven or with a heat gun. I have used an oven, but it didn't come out perfectly flat, so I am just heating it again with the heat gun and just making sure that everything is perfectly flat. And the next thing that you're going to do is to super glue the earring post onto the back of your shrink paper earrings. And then you're going to use UV resin to coat the whole thing. It is also really important to coat the back of the earring post when doing this, because this adds extra strength to your earrings so that the post won't fall off easily. Make sure to use a UV lamp to help the UV cure. The last step is to attach two parts of your earrings using a jump ring. And then you're all done. And that is it for today's tutorial. See you next time.